So the question here is also asking what is the time complexity of the code below. And as you can see with this code, it's not a nested for loop, it's actually two separate for loops. We know that just by looking at this, I listed size I++, this is O of n. And by looking at the second one, it's also the same O of n. And so we have two O of n's. In this case, because it's not a nested for loop, it's not O of n squared, so we can kind of just take that out. It's not O of n factorial, and it's not constant time, so it's not O of 1, right? And so we end up with O of n, and the whole reason behind that is because it's not a nested for loop and it's two separate for loops. So yeah, O of n is the right answer.